Alright guys, so yeah, getting on a little bit behind schedule, but we are good. Was able to do most of my research, got through a lot of the posting and stuff, and the alerts on Discord as well. So we got a couple new things to look at now with meme stocks as well as the Chinese EDU stocks all coming back into action. A bunch of interesting names popping up. Some you might have seen before, like BBIG and GEVO. Some you may not have seen before, like ATER and HIPO right here. So a lot of things are moving pre-market as well. I was trying to trade them on TD Ameritrade, like CPOP, JFIN. Let me see what else I picked up. So I did my 3-day trades right away today. They were on JFIN, CPOP, and LWAC. Right, so LWAC was very interesting. Let me look at it actually. Let's see, LWAC. It popped up from about a $10 stock to a $70 stock. Like, that was some ridiculous shit it did. Obviously, it caught everyone's eyes, and then it's been coming back on its way down. So I was able to trade it from 35 to 40. Sold it at 40, and then after that it kept, slowly coming back down. Around 7:15, I was able to pick it up at 25 and sell it at 30, and that was it. Now it's on its way down. It's at 23.10 right now. So that's what's happening with LWAC. For options today, we're looking at, I already have some contracts in AMC because AMC is back. SPY QQQ as well. Call options there. I have an AMD short I'm trying to do, so we're going to see how all that looks when the market opens up. And let me see what else is popping up. Yeah, so on the Discord, I have pretty much listed out everything that we're doing, whatever we're working with. Looks like today, D King, AMC, CRM, crowd with all this momentum. Let me actually put this all into the Discord right now for us. Let me see. Okay. So AMC bull flag, looking for the break above 48.30. Hopefully we see that today. Should be able to break. Since it broke the usual trend of going between 30 and 38, it shouldn't be too difficult for it to break any further past that. CRM is looking very interesting too. I gotta update these right here, and then I'm gonna open up tabs for each one of them on my browser. And sometimes I just use my phone to get it all through. But yeah, open up tabs for all of them on my browser and see what's up. So here we got, let's see, AMC, looking for break, D King, CRM, and crowd. Well, if we come down here, so we got the power list, right? So crowd, what is it? D King. Yeah, I haven't really done much D King trading. PayPal was actually looking really crazy too yesterday, and it looks like it's still going green. Yep, on a nice upwards trend. So will it continue? Well, it definitely can. It can, because it's not going to be like breaking all-time highs or anything. It's supposed to come back to above 300, so might be possible. We'll see. Crowd, yeah, pretty damn good swing from yesterday if anyone did that. Wow. See, this is why Mondays are such a good day to like do your ultimate research, get all your information in, get it all together, and then you hop into the market Monday, because anything you grab Monday you might be holding, and these are the best mornings to wake up. You wake up the next morning, imagine all day you actually went green on it, and then the next day you wake up and it has this massive jump. That's amazing, right? So might be looking at this as well. CrowdStrike, PayPal, TTD has been jumping as well. So what was Monday? Monday was the 23rd. Right. So anyone that bought options on 23rd, call options, went up. Might go up more today. Approaching back to where it's been this year. I still got quite a way to go though, to 94. So I'll keep an eye on that as well. Not really a fan of looking at D King in general, but we could try it out. Let me see. DKNG. Crypto just dancing around like a loser. Yeah, D King had a nice jump. So we'll keep an eye on that as well. RGC, I don't know what's up with them, but they are flying. They just went off really hard. Damn, that's insane. Right, so right here you can see RGC just took off. Right, this is still within the same period of today, basically. Starting from here, right here, Wednesday. That's crazy. Went from, it doubled basically. Jesus. And it's not even really because of anything special or whatever. It just went off. We're looking at here though. Gotta give it, well, actually this is enough time now, so we can see some of the movement here, but as soon as 9:30 hits, it can always unfortunately move the other way. But for the most part, we get a pretty good idea of where things are going. I've already got a couple options out in action, so I'm going to see how they play out. And then AMC, GameStop, they're doing its thing. Be ready to watch for puts as well, right? For AMC, GameStop, and any of the Chinese stocks as well. So right here, I've got the list of Chinese EDU stocks. These guys, right? MetX, one. GOTU. EDU yesterday was up like 30%. Right, so these are all your general Chinese EDU stocks. Hey, how's it going, man? Support.com has been great. It's pretty much every day. If it's ever around $8 or $9, you basically pick it up, and it booms. Not one you would hold though. It's not one you would hold. You want to buy it, set a limit order for whatever price target you think it'll make it to, and then sell it when it gets there. So like, if we look at it right now, And I've traded it a couple times. I think I just traded it on my TD Ameritrade yesterday. That's a 14. That's another big boom. It always does this. Always does this. The general price that you want to get it at is usually around 9. Right. Again, it's one of those weird stocks that could fall down. So you got to be careful with a nice stop loss. But it's just, if you ever get stuck with it and it goes down, like let's say you bought it here, 1390, right? And then you see it fall, but then you didn't sell it because it came back up. Then it just slowly died down and you never got a chance to sell it. It's okay. Don't sell it for a loss, because all you can do at that point is average down, right? Average down. Buy it at this price too. If you bought it at 1390, you should have no issues buying it at 12. You know, average it down, because then look at it today, almost at 1390 again, right? So it always does that. Pre-market, it was higher than that. Pre-market, it was above that price range. Actually, let me see. Right here. And so looking at it right here, you can see that it does a lot of movement. You see this movement right here, and then it always goes back up. So don't worry about getting stuck with it. Yeah, that's wonderful. So another thing besides scalping is trimming. Right? You should always sell some of it and take the profits you have on that. So maybe sell half right now, sell another half later, keep selling more and more halves, and leave a few to keep running, to a higher price if in any case it goes higher. One of my sell orders just went through for something I picked up yesterday and had a limit order placed. Right, so I picked up SNTG 100 shares at 624. This just went through right now. The limit order, I got the notification on my phone. 100 shares sold at 660, and it looks like it's still going. Right. So again, like I didn't need to sell all 100 shares, but again, always take the profits. And if it's something I'm trading, like this stock, right? I don't really know much about this stock. I'm not very inclined to hold it for too long or anything like that. So I bought this yesterday and I submitted the sell order at the same time. Right? And it just got filled. So 9:19 a.m. it got filled today. Because I don't really want to play around holding it. I don't want to get messed up by it coming back down. And I definitely don't want to end up in the losses. So always remember to scalp. If it's going up and down a lot, keep selling, keep buying, keep selling like that. If you keep missing the parts where it's high and it came back down, average down, right? And then when it hits some of your price targets, trim, sell half, right? Sell half, sell a quarter, sell whatever you want to, but sell some of it and let some of it stay in case it keeps going up. So that's the general idea there. I also started with level 2 data here, so now I get to start seeing like how this buy and sell orders are going. Clearly there's more green than red on this side right now, so it still has space to go up a lot more. Right? And as the market opens by 9:30, this will start filling up more accurately. So there's a good chance right now the SNTG will hit 7 today. Right? But I'm done playing with it. I had my fun. I got my profits of what, like 30 cents, 36 cents right here. So 36 cents, 100 shares, so like $36 profits. I'm happy with that, right? I'm happy with that. Take that little profit of $36, add it to whatever other profits I'm going to make. I don't really day trade stocks that much, but I do send out the alerts for the day trades of stocks on my Discord. Anything that I find and that I see is doing good. People on most paid Discord servers, you'll see there's like endless alerts. Buy this, enter here, buy this, enter here, and then it just goes down. Right? And by the time the person alerts you to not enter or that you should sell it because it's a loss, you might be at a bigger loss than they were. Right? And that ends up being a huge problem. So I don't even alert things that I see someone alerted that I don't see good data on, or I don't feel like it'll go up. And honestly, 90% of the time I'm right about that. So, if someone sent me an alert right now to buy SNTG, then I would buy it. Or I would share that alert with you guys for sure, because it looks good right now and the level 2 data on it looks good right now, and it's all pointing towards the green end, so it will probably hit 7, right? And if you want to test that out, this is just my own little thing, right? This isn't an alert someone just sent me or anything. I'm telling you this. If you want to test it out, you can pick it up. You know, buy it right now. Anyone can buy it right now. Robinhood pre-market already started at 9, and you know, set a price target of 690. You know, set a limit order of 690 and see how it goes. It'll hit. It'll definitely hit. And if it comes down, just enjoy it. You know, let it be. It could come down a little bit. It may come down a little bit, but it'll probably go up. And if it's gonna maintain what it did yesterday, then right now it's right here. At this point is right here. So it might fall a little bit, then go up even higher throughout the day. So, you know, we watch for that. And even after that, when it fell, it still went higher, right? So it's higher from where it was. Positive trend. Right? And we like that. We like positive trends. Positive trends are what keep us going. So all in all, it's looking pretty good. The order book's looking pretty good. So again, this is doing its job. It's at 680 now. 10 more cents and it'll hit that price target of 690. And you're good to go. If you pick up enough copies of this share, you get good profits out of it. You know? What I'm most inclined and most watching for right now is how are my contracts from yesterday going to do. I have calls on SPY, QQQ, and AMC. So I'm going to see how those go once the market opens. And then I'm going to start watching AMC to see if it starts falling and get puts on AMC as it's, you know, going back towards 30 basically, which is massive gains. Right, you want to make money both ways, whether a stock is going up or down. You want to make money with that. So, yeah, you know, I wish you guys good luck. 2 more minutes till the market starts up, and then see how it goes. I have to run, but I'm going to be around just to check on some of my stocks, and then I'm going to come back later on, and I will see you guys tomorrow morning.